In the name of God, I rise at dawn. A light awakens, my soul reborn. I feel today is blessed and bright. Every heart is filled with light. Eid Mubarak, oh hearts of light.
Filled with peace and love so bright.
Eid Mubarak, friends of faith.
Let our voices rise in praise. Today we celebrate with joy,
Remembering the Prophet with love.
sending blessings from